TikTok just launched a new feature, but guess what? There is a problem. If you have been seeing random calls on your TikTok from your TikTok followers, you are not alone. We are in this together. After TikTok launched this voice call feature on TikTok, a lot of followers have been taking advantage of it by reaching out to their favorite celebrity through these voice calls, and it disturbs them a lot. Yes. Now, instead of you to focus on the disadvantage of this feature, let me show you how you can actually stop your followers from calling you on TikTok. Yes, so that you don't get disturbed. It's very easy. As long as you watch this video till the end, you will learn how you can actually tackle this problem and solve it on your own. If this is your first time of seeing me, I am Junior MJ. Here on this channel, I review apps, websites, smartphone, and their features. Yes. Now, before wasting time, let's get started. Just access your TikTok and tap on menu. Select setting and tap on notification. Scroll down to voice call and select the no one option. As soon as you select the no one option, no follower of you on TikTok will have the access to call you. Now, if you find this video useful, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop an opinion. Make sure you go to my channel and watch some of my videos like how to protect your WhatsApp from hackers. I already posted a tutorial, a full tutorial on this channel. Another video is on how to do call forwarding. These are all useful tutorial you need to watch. Now, thank you for watching and see you on the next one.